Ears here, good as a motherfucker. Survived though, y'all. Even though I'm a little late, I hate being on this camera, this phone. The trees blocking the hell up out of the sun, but I like the smell of it. A lot of trees out here. Y'all know the difference between male trees and female trees? Yeah, I know. As far as what male trees produce and what female trees produce, yeah, I know. Pretty sure y'all don't. Pretty sure y'all don't. Pretty sure it's a lot that y'all have no sort of understanding of at all. Like, near clear. If they don't show shit at some corner store or your local bar or the niggas on the corner, y'all don't know nothing about it. Unless niggas start selling the information out of this bitch on the street corners, in a bar near you, or your local corner store, that's the only way you stupid, ignorant motherfuckers is gonna know anything. And yes, y'all are stupid. Fucking stupid. Very stupid. Ignorant as hell. You hear me? Those names that they put upon us, it's the fucking truth. You motherfuckers are the reason that y'all get these labels put on y'all. Y'all think they just started labeling us certain shit for no reason? Calling us certain names for no reason? No, these are labels that we put on ourselves. Why? Because we fell victim to the trap. We fell victim to the trap. The whole trap is to find any type of way they can to control us as a whole. Y'all do know y'all be controlled and without even knowing that you're being controlled. Y'all do know that, right? Especially y'all females. Y'all the worst. That's why, man, tap in with me tomorrow on OG Talk. This is exactly why I'm doing speaking on the topic that I want to speak on tomorrow, because a lot of you females need to wake the fuck up. Even the ones that claim to be woke, y'all ain't woke. Because if y'all were, y'all would not be falling victim to that they got you falling victim to. And I see it every day. Every day. Every fucking day. A lot of you females is trying to be like men out here. Y'all trying to carry yourself as if y'all are males. Y'all out here dragging y'all pussy lips. You know how niggas say we dragging our nuts? Y'all here trying to drag y'all pussy lips and shit. But this is the thing, and this is what y'all need to understand. Y'all can carry the mind frame as if y'all are a male and put on that tough role and that image as if y'all one of us. But when shit get real, y'all don't have the strength that we have. At all. Don't get it twisted. This is more powerful than a gun. I do know that for a fact. That's why the fuck I'm speaking to you stupid, ignorant motherfuckers. This is more powerful than a gun. This right here is way more powerful than a gun. I promise y'all. Start coming out on the K-Money, what's the vibes? Peace and blessings, King. Be more love, brother. I'll be checking out your beats too. Oh, he popped out. But yeah, man, like, I ain't here to be nobody's babysitter. I ain't here to be nobody's preacher. I'm not here to be nobody's friend. Literally. I'm not here to be none of that to none of you motherfuckers, man. I'm just here to do my part. And doing my part is me getting on my lives here and there and trying to give a better understanding to you ignorant, lost, stupid motherfuckers, then that's what I'll do. If doing my part is the fucking me sitting in my motherfucking house and doing nothing and turning into whatever I turn into and here, it might be looked at as doing nothing to somebody on the outside looking in. But shit, I be having hella fun. What you talking about? You know how much I do doing nothing? Let's make it make sense. Holler at me on Wednesdays, man. Everything I do is a reason. There's a reason behind it. There's a purpose. There's a purpose. Y'all might not understand it. It ain't for you to understand. As soon as I came out here, the dig got out of here. Okay. I am who I am. I am who I am. Yeah, I just had to step out here into this. I'm not even going to say some days I be slipping because it's never slipping. Everything go exactly how it should go. However my day go when I wake up, that's how it should go. Like, I am who I am. I am who I am. Love is love, though, man. I just had to come out here and speak a little, you know, while being in the midst of this. With no shit. Like, when you get a better understanding of who you are, I promise you, you get to tapping in with a lot more deeper shit other than what's presented to us. I'ma just keep it like that. I promise you. When they say tapping in, I mean really tapping in. Like, I can hear the trees. I hear the animals. I hear the birds. I hear the deer. Like, I hear shit that other people don't even hear. Or at least y'all don't pay no type of attention to. I hear it all. Sometimes I feel like the sun's speaking to me. I touch the trees. I feel the vibrations from the trees. Call me crazy, huh? I'm crazy, right? Yeah. Y'all always label motherfucker crazy because they speaking on some shit you have no clue of. So just because your dumbass brain don't understand what's really going on, y'all want to call us crazy, huh? I'm crazy then. I'm the most craziest motherfucker out here. You hear me? I'll tell you one thing for sure, two things for certain. I ain't one of you. I'm not one of you. Start tapping in though, man. Like I was saying, for the trees, the male and female trees. You know, female trees produce certain things and male trees produce certain things. Y'all need to tap in and get a better understanding of what those things are. You know, because a lot of it, I would live in a tree. I come out here, I look at the same goddamn tree every day and shit like, man, I will build me a fucking house up that bitch and just live there. Like, literally, I can really see myself living in the wilderness, like the forest and around nature. Like, I can really do that. I can really live off of, you know, hunting my own food and shit like that. I can really live like that. Can you? What y'all gonna do if you gotta eat grass and leaves and insects and things like that? Would you be able to do that? Push kind of shove, you have no choice. Would you be able to actually do that? I can. I can. I can live in this. I can eat all the weird shit that y'all would say, oh, it's nasty. I will do that. Guess what? I'm surviving out this bitch. Y'all not. Y'all not. There's too many lost niggas. Not enough woke men. That's the problem out here. There's too many lost niggas. Not enough woke men. And women too. You know? And to y'all females, y'all need to understand, like, they already know that it's easier for them to control y'all versus us. It's way easier for them to control y'all versus them trying to control us. You know how they say we hard-headed? Yeah. You get me? So that's why y'all being attacked a lot more than we are, especially right now. That's why a lot of y'all women moving the way that y'all move. A lot of y'all keeping this fuck nigga this and fuck a nigga that shit and stored into y'all brains. Y'all want to keep running around here listening to all these Megan Thee Stallions and these whack ass bitches that's sitting in a house with kids and a whole husband, but yet they promoting bullshit to y'all through their music, though. Tell me how that makes sense. Why is they promoting a lifestyle to y'all that they not even living? Tell me how that makes sense. Fuck is wrong with y'all, man? I'm just trying to help before a nigga have to hurt. That's all. That's all I do. I'm trying to help before I am forced.